Hey everybody, thank you guys for coming back to the channel. This is going to be a very short video on how I decorate my bottles and how I put my herbs in the bottle. So, peace. So let's flip you around so you can get the detail. The sad thing, I did a beautiful video, guys, and it was like too dark. And I'm like, why is my video dark? But you have to pay attention to everything when you're filming these videos. So this is a glass bottle. This is one that I already had. I had a few already, but I ordered some from Amazon. So I'm going to utilize these by putting in the earring, and I'm going to share a little secret with you. So like and share and come back to my channel. So if you're trying to do these projects, I'm going to share secrets with you on how they work. Sometimes, people forget to say, do this and, do that when you are sharing your project. So things will be easier for the customer when they receive it or whatever. Now, these earrings in the bottles are great souvenirs for gift shops, for wedding parties, graduation, or just friends getting together, just want to share special moments together. Now, what I decided to do was to take my pieces, and I have a ton of these little seashells, and just drop a beautiful seashell in there. Now, these seashells are connected to the Mother Earth energy, the mother energy, in other words. Beautiful shells. So let me show you the little secret, what I'm trying to convey to you. See this earring? It has to be about this size. It cannot be anything bigger, because if it's anything larger, it will not fit in the bottle. The top is not going to go in the bottle. So this is probably, where is my, let's see, can I find my tape measure? Because I want to give you the exact size to let you know what will fit in the bottle. And we're going to measure it right here. I hope I'm measuring it right down there. Anything under 2 inches. You see that? Can you see? When it comes to the earrings in the bottle, anything under 2 inches will fit in the bottle. Also, what I want you to do is take your fish hook and squeeze it in like this. And drop it in the bottle, because when they try to take it out of the bottle, it's going to get hung up and it's not going to do right. See how that kind of bent a little bit? So just squeeze it down, and they could always just pull it out, because you want the product to come out the bottle. See that, how it's sticking out? And you just do it that way and put your cap on. It's a good idea, earrings in the bottle, but you have sometimes, see that? You have to work with getting, see how I pulled it straight out? Just squeeze it down, because you could always just do this. Pull it out, and it'll go right back to the shape. Okay? That's all you have to do. Sometimes, we leave out these little important details. Earring in the bottle. Now, what I plan on doing, like with these are little chips. I got a ton of chips, earrings that I'm going to use in mine. Now, you see that little darker piece right there? That's a pure ruby chip. So I have a lot of these little, not the ruby, but a lot of quartz and other little chips that I'm going to just stick in my earring in a bottle to, just to be different and spruce it up a little bit. That's what I'm going to do. And this is the black alphabet. Those are some gorgeous earrings. They're one of a kind. I'm not gonna keep you too long. But like and share and always come back here for the little tidbits that make your project works, okay? Now, this is how I decorate some of my bottles. I use these little stickies. I think I got these out of Dollar General. If I didn't, Hobby Lobby, I've had these for a while. And I use glue to just glue along the bottle and just stick these on there. Even though they got their own little stickers, I wanted to enforce it. Okay? I might put one on these bottles at the back. I'm not sure. I have a lot of them. So you see how I decorated that? Anything to make the bottle stand out and put that little extra to it. Love that tiger print. And I have, so many of those little stick-on tabs. Now look at this one. This is a bigger one. Now this would be perfect for some of my elderberry. Just a sample, for not quite a sample, for the people or whatever. And I just tied that on there. I'm going to tell you a little bit about that jute too also. And I want to share this with you. I love bottles and I love herbs and they're so beautiful and they're so healthy for us and they keep us healthy. I'm not finished with this because I could take a little tab, a little wooden tab or a thick paper tab and just write a little personal message on it or write, this is like red rose. Now, red rose is excellent for women who are having trouble with their menstruation. It soothes the pain, and it's awesome for menopausal women. Also, this herb pretty much is like a soothing, comforting herb for the feminine. Now, you could also drink this too. I use the biodegradable tea bags. I got them off Amazon, and you just put maybe like a fourth and put it in 8-ounce glass of water with squeeze a little lemon in there and honey and just soothe yourself and drink it that way to make you feel so good. I also use the little gauze. You can use the gauze bags and put some of this herb in there because you don't want to put a loose herb in your tub. You can, but you're going to have trouble cleaning it out and it may clog up your sink. So remember that. Use gauze bags and just relax and get your little candle and, do your thing, ladies, do your thing. But I'm just giving you some little tidbits and some ideas on how to use these herbs. And I just stuck this in there because I, had finished the video and it was too dark. And I did like a double tie on this one. So some of this is going to be like gifts for my siblings. This one, I'm going to fix them up a really, really good bag. Some of my soap. Matter of fact, I got to do some soap. I want a special soap. I'm going to give them soap, elderberry. I might give them a little bit of sea moss. I'm not sure. I got to find a good ethical sea moss because that's what I'm looking for myself also. And I might do a bracelet or something for them. And I might do like a little earring in a bottle to show, some appreciation, to show them that I am your sis. We, share the same blood and I love you. I do it for my sisters, my daughter, and my grandbaby, and a couple of my niece, you know what I'm saying? But look, I use this jute. I got this jute out of Hobby Lobby, and it's like $3.99, and I've had this jute for like 3 to 4 years, guys. And this, if you invest in this is a good investment. I've used this on lots of soap, double wrapped on soap. I've used this on the bottles for the sea moss. I've used this for the bottles for the elderberry and my oils, whatever. And look how much I got left. you can't go wrong with this. Matter of fact, I'm going to pick up another one. $3.99 is not bad. It's called Natural Jute. But I study the essential oils. I mean, matter of fact, I'm in class now. I'm taking class. So I know, pretty much know what I'm talking about when it comes to these oils and how to use these oils, what they're good for, guys. I just don't come on here and just be talking and don't know what I'm talking about. I've taken, plenty of classes. And I've listened, to plenty of videos when it comes to this. And it's talking about the rose bath bombs. I haven't done any bath bombs because I don't, sometimes you kind of got to stay in your lane. And you probably got to buy extra and do extra, and I really don't want to do all that. But isn't that a beautiful bomb? And I'm like, I don't even know if anybody would appreciate it if, we did do these bath bombs, because nobody, really know what they are. Some people do, but a lot of people don't. So I have a lot of books about herbs and the benefits, base oils, and how to mix this. But anyway, I just wanted to come and share with you how I decorate my bottles and some of the products that I do put in the bottles, okay? Thank you guys, and please like and share and make your comment to let me know what you think, okay? Because I might have left something out or might have forgotten something. Any questions, tap in, okay? I'm growing this channel, so I want to be righteous, and I want to, be able to share little secrets with you on how these things work, especially with this bending the hook to make sure the earring goes in and the earring comes out peacefully without the customer having to struggle to get the earring out, okay? And you could do so much. This is beautiful. But thank you guys, and I'll catch you in the next video.